Well, very good morning to you. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're on our way to Flamborough to try out his new kayak. So I'll see you down at my brother's.
I've been up about 5 minutes. It's 5:04?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Oh dear. Right, let's have a brew. Right, off we go. We'll check in a bit later. Well, we've arrived, so that's where we're going. Alright, Captain.
That's sunk.
Is it?
Have you let enough line off?
Yeah.
Is it your bottom?
Yeah.
No, don't forget you've got to let a load off.
I have.
How much?
About 12 quid.
No, you know, length of boat.
Something like that.
So can I stop paddling now?
Ah, for a bit.
That yellow boat there, it's just took us about 35 minutes to paddle from there to here.
I think it's time for a cigarette before I get a fishing tackle out. Well, we've got us fishing rods going. Not holding much up because we don't have a fish finder yet, so we've no idea what bottom's like or whether there's any fish down there at the minute. But we're on high tide, or just after high tide, and from memory I think it should be rough ground this, but we're just guessing because we haven't got a fish finder. If anybody can see where we are and tell us what the ground's like here until we get a fish finder, that would be appreciated. Time for a drink, I think.
I've got a can of energy drink. Oh, did I? I might have. It might be a boot.
Boot to what?
Boot to this. Without it though, I think I left it in the car because we had a drink.
Alright.
Which is a bit stiff on the back. Drogue's working nicely.
Yep. Drogue parachute's working nice. I don't know if you can see that. I can't. And we've got our anchor out as well. You clearly can't see that. So we're not drifting, and we've got drogue shoot out, which has turned us in straight into oncoming wind, so it's quite comfortable at present. Let's see if we can catch any fish. Do.
I caught a fish. Ouch! It had me. Hey! That'll do.
Not catching many fish. Just had a dinner. A latte would go rather nice about now. The fish. Yeah. You what?
Might tip up bird watching.
Bird watching? Ah.
I'm puzzling. Pretty big then. Impressive, aren't they then?
Yeah.
2 more guys down there. Older guys. Oh, look at birds. You see it bottom there, look, you see it rocks.
Yeah.
I can see it rocks here. What? It's reflection. See it?
I don't know, I can't see nothing for the head.
I can see it bottom. It's full of rocks there. Like literally like 5 foot under, I can see them. That block's there, look.
Right, we've started catching fish. We've both got a bag full so far.
When's your line?
They're nice, decent size. I can't see him.
I can't either, I'm not letting him get off. That's trouble when you've got 5 hooks on.
Place is full of fish jibs.
I do, that's got it.
Well, anyway up, we're catching loads of mackerel at the minute, so we're gonna keep on going and see how we do. We'll give you a final tally at the end of the day. Right, that's the end of fishing trip number 1.
Which it probably will be end of and beginning of.
Well, I'll tell you what, that's one of the hardest things we've ever done.
Yes.
It's so physical, isn't it? So physical.
It's when you've got a 5-6 mile an hour current.
Yeah, we're used to having an engine, aren't we, on a boat? But yeah, we've done really well. We've got a nice big bag of mackerel apiece each. So I'll show you them later. We've had a good day. Weather's held out, hasn't it?
Yeah. Not bad.
Could have been better. Could have been a bit sunnier, perhaps. But there you go. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.